This is kind of a funny video. It's the worst gifts and the best gifts that you could get for your wife. And I know there's a lot of women who are going to watch this video, and I'm going to start off with a story. Years ago, I had a client. I'm going to call him John. And John was coming over for a session with me. This is way back. I've been doing this since 2001. And it was around Christmas time. He came in. I said, "Hey, John, how are you doing?" And he goes, "Hi, what's up?" And I said, "It's so funny. I just got a call from one of my clients, and he said his wife is really mad at him because he got her a gift, and it was a vacuum cleaner." And John started to crack up. And I go, "It is pretty funny." He goes, "No, it isn't that. That's what I just got my wife for Christmas." And I said, "Oh my God, you can't do that." Women are very beautiful. We marry them for their beauty. Their hearts are filled with love. We marry them for their love. They're tender and they're like flowers. They're sensitive. And what they want, what they crave, what they need is that warmth, that protection, and that love that makes them feel appreciated and loved. That's why they love jewelry. That's why they love a beautiful poem. That's why they love a cup of coffee that you made for them, even if you're a lousy barista. They like that. It connects to them. So I've already given you now the best things to give to your wife, but now I'm going to give you what is the really best thing to give to your wife. And this is a tough one because we're not taught about this. To work on yourself by making yourself improved by learning how to love your wife more and more. Do you follow that? You see, they are the perfect mirror for our stupidity as men. As men, women see us as dumb, that we don't get them. We're not dumb. It's just that we think very differently. But what they have over us is they have this connection to their heart. Now, it's not their fault. It's not our fault that we don't have it. This is what nature has done. Nature has made the woman the one who carries the baby in her womb for 9 months. So I used to tell my clients this story to illustrate the difference between a man and a woman when it comes to the heart. And I said, imagine that you, talking to a guy, go to the doctor, and he says, "Well, they got some strange, this is weird. I'm going to tell you the best I can. You're pregnant." And the guy would go, "What? Cut it out right now. I ain't carrying no baby." Woman goes, and she's pregnant. She's going for her checkup, and the doctor says, "Dear, this is very interesting. Yes, you're pregnant and your baby is fine, but your baby is a rabbit." And she goes, "Oh," because nature wants that child to be protected with love and nurtured. And in our case as human beings, that nurturing goes on for way too long in this man's opinion. But that's what the woman is designed to do. And that nurturing will be applying to you too when you're learning how, and this is the key, how to open up your heart. Not so easy for men to open up our heart. It's a very complex idea for a man. We go, "Hey, my heart is opened up. I'm loyal. I'm protective. I earn plenty of money to protect my family." No, 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 no. I'm talking about opening your heart. It's tricky. It's not even completely explainable. It has to be illustrated. How you learn how to do that is go to our website, themarriagefoundation.org. I have books, I have lessons for happy marriage, I have breaking the cycle, and I have online courses, one for men, one for women, and learn how not just to be married, but how to cultivate love for your wife. And man, it's going to change your life. So glad you stopped by. If you want to leave a greeting in the comments section, I invite you to do so. If you have a question, leave it. Most men who are coming across these videos are struggling in their marriage, and we're here to help you. Again, I'm Paul Friedman, founder of the Marriage Foundation. God bless you. Take care. Thank you.